I made two kind of sort of silhouette design or disc designs. One is Snowman with two kids. It looks like two kids are basically putting it together. The other is a girl holding a present that she's putting into a mailbox. So I'm making those two soaps today. And the girl in the mailbox I did in black, like it's a true silhouette. The kids in the snowman, I did the snowman in white and the kids in black. And I went back and forth with how to do the design. And I finally decided that I was going to do like a snow. This is a snowman. And then just do a blue sky. So not really a true black and white silhouette soap, but still captures that. So there's the boy and the girl. That will go on either side of it. So it looks like they're putting the arms on the snowman. So yeah, that's today's soap. I'm gonna let this set up. Hopefully it sets up pretty quick. I stick blended it pretty well. And then I'll come back and pour the top layer and we'll cut it tomorrow. The glycerin rivers on the bottom there. Curious to see how that comes through in the soap itself. I'm not really worried about it. It'll probably give it distinction between the snowman. So it's fine. But I always think it's kind of cool. Okay, so the question is, how well did my little people get in? Oh, that's not bad. I wish they were a tad closer. Look at those glycerin rivers. Woo! Can you see that? Ugh, I'm cracking up over the glycerin rivers. I said I don't mind them, it's fine. I do wish these were a tad closer. I was trying to get them on top of the snow. Obviously, these came down, she's sitting on top. I don't think it matters that they're in the snow. I think it works just fine too, even though I was trying to get them on top. But I was worried about, one, air gaps in all of these little spots, which looks like I did pretty good. And two, I was worried about them falling in, falling out, not being straight. Hence why there's more space between them. But I think it's a fun winter soap Two kids building a snowman. I added, you can see this little swirl. It's actually a light gold, not white. I didn't want it to be the same as the snowman. And you can actually see a distinction between the embed and the snow too, which I like. That's the fragrance in Glycerin Rivers doing that. So I'm totally okay with that. But yeah, I'll take it. It's cute. Two kids building a snowman. Let me know what you think.